In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing location on an iPhone for a short time without knowing anyone. First, if you have any problem or issue that someone or your family members or your friends are tracking you that time that you don't want to track by them and you want a short break from them, then you can follow these steps. You can just turn off your location, this sharing location access for a short time, and they won't be alert or they won't know about this. So in these settings, in the privacy and security option, you will find the top one is location services, where your location service is turned on, and here share my location, you can see I have allowed to share my location here. If you toggle this off, that means you are disallowing to share your location. But sometimes if someone check your settings or that person who are tracking you or check this screen, then the settings, and then they will find that the option is turned off, and they can be aware about that you have disallowed to share your location with that person. For a short time, you can follow this method. You just need to scroll down here at the right side, and you will find the control panel of your iPhone, where you will find an aeroplane icon here. This is the aeroplane mode of your iPhone. Any mobile devices have these options available in Android, in iPhone also. You just need to click on it. When it is highlighted, and you will find a small aeroplane icon at your notification bar, and that's mean the airplane mode is now enabled on your device. What does this mean? It will disable all the wireless connection, all the network connection with your iPhone, and it don't allow any sharing or any networking, or you can connect with internet whenever this airplane mode is on. So if all the network connection is now disabled and you can connect with internet, that means you can share your location through across all over your network, and it will be not notified by others, or it don't send any alert or any type of notification that you have turned on your airplane mode. It is a default settings of your device. You can go with these options, and it will help you to stop sharing your location on your iPhone for a short time, and it will be a secret that only you know that you have opened your or turned on your airplane mode on your iPhone. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.